Over the years, we used to compare smartphones based on their camera quality and processor speed. But in 2025, artificial intelligence has joined the discussion. Your smartphone is no longer your mobile pocket computer anymore. It's becoming more like your personal AI assistant. Today, I'll be talking about the iPhone 17 with Apple's intelligence, Samsung Galaxy S25, which is pushing the limits of Galaxy AI, and Google Pixel 9 Pro, which is Google Gemini's first smartphone integration. The major reason I'm comparing these smartphones is not to pick sides or pick a winner, but to show you how each device's AI feature can actually help you save a lot of time, improve your productivity, and fit into real workflows. By the end of this video, you'll be able to know which device's AI fits your daily needs. Let's start with the iPhone 17's Apple Intelligence, which took a different approach than everyone expected. Instead of using cloud-based AI, Apple decided to focus on privacy first with on-device processing. Apple's writing tools are transparent. It's everywhere. From emails to notes to third-party apps, even messages. All you need to do is select the text and you get options to either proofread, rewrite with different tones, or even summarize. This feature can transform how you communicate using intelligent features that can rewrite different versions until the tone and wording are just right. This feature can help writers with fast summarization and rewrite tools inside mails, notes, and even on the Safari browser. Let's not also forget the ecosystem advantage that Apple has. These features are integrated into the core of your iPhone, iPad, and MacBook through on-device processing. Start a task on your iPhone, continue on your iPad, and finish on your MacBook. Your AI context follows you everywhere. So, if you're a professional handling confidential information, or you're a user who is already deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem, or you're a user who values privacy first when using AI without compromising its functionality, then the iPhone 17 series is for you. Let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Here, Samsung combined the Galaxy AI with deep Google integrations. For content creators, this is like gold because right after shooting a video, you can get to enhance the footage without the need for third-party equipment. Galaxy AI focuses on editing, context-aware actions like circle to search, and creative assist tools in the gallery and video editor. Talking about the live translation feature, this feature enables two-way voice and text translation during calls. Imagine negotiating a business deal with someone speaking Spanish while you speak English. Both of you can communicate naturally through your phones without having issues understanding each other. The circle to search feature has to be the most intuitive AI feature anywhere. When you see something interesting on your screen, circle it. Google Search instantly gives you results. For research, shopping, or learning, it eliminates the friction of copying, switching between apps, and pasting in order to get the results you wanted all in one place. Talking about the Gemini integration, a multimodal feature powered by Google Gemini enables interaction through voice, camera input, and screen sharing, supporting tasks such as object recognition, text translation, and content analysis. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is perfect for content creators who takes photos and shoot videos and want to edit them on the go. It's also good for people who make a lot of international calls to countries that don't speak the same languages, and also for people that want the maximum feature of the Galaxy AI without much dependency on cloud storage. The Google Pixel series gains its strength from Gemini first integration, a cloud-powered assistant that is outstanding when it comes to research and long-form reasoning. If your job involves reviewing a lot of documents, writing briefs, or even creating building plans, Gemini can ingest these documents, summarize key findings, and also assist in drafting a well-structured proposal. The Gemini Live feature on the Google Pixel that lets you chat naturally with the Gemini has been officially integrated within your calendar, tasks, and Google Maps. Since launching the Pixel 9 series, Gemini Live interactions are 5 times longer than text-based conversations on average. This matters because it means that people are having actual sustained conversations with AI, not just one-off queries. The circle to search feature with AI mode helps you dive deeper and ask follow-up questions about anything you see on your screen. Circle on familiar terms that you don't understand, and you won't only get the definitions, but also you get the opportunity to ask follow-up questions without leaving the app. It also has the visual AI and photography feature. While we are focusing on productivity, the Pixel 9 series camera AI should not be left out. The Magic Eraser removes distractions from your photos. You can now make a lot of edits to photos and videos already taken on your phone. For content creators and social media managers, this is like a game changer for them. Let's talk about VO3 for video generation. This feature is only accessible to Pixel 9 Pro users. You can use it to describe your idea and watch it come to life as a high-quality short video, complete with natural audio. Do you need a quick product demo video or social media content for your product? Describe your concept and AI generates a professional-looking footage for your brand. Google's approach towards productivity is very proactive. You see that Gemini gets to study your behavioral patterns on your devices and gets to prioritize the notifications that are important for your work or for whatever you're doing on your phone, which helps you get more done in less time. If you're among the people that uses Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Calendar every day, or you're a student or a researcher that reviews long documents almost every day, or you're a user that you want your phone to help you improve your habits and help you most times before you ask, then I think the Google Pixel 9 series is for you. If you've gotten this far into the video, then it's no lie that you want to see which device suits your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our page to see more AI trends that can help you improve your productivity and your workflow. Now, let's do a quick comparison on these two categories: privacy and speed versus capability and depth. And let's see which category each of these devices belongs to. The iPhone 17 series favors on-device speed and privacy, low latency, fast summaries, and better local control. This is best when data sensitivity and privacy is a priority for its users. The Samsung Galaxy S25 series sits in the middle because it has a strong on-device creative tool and a lot of editing features with cloud options when you need them. This is great for content creators who switch between online and offline workflows. The Pixel 9 series depends solely on cloud technology, which means it is very good at deep thinking and combining information from multiple documents, but it usually needs internet connections to work better. Now, let's talk about the ecosystem integration. Yes, ecosystem integration matters a lot, and I know this is where you all Apple fans will come and say that you guys have the best ecosystem. I can't lie, so far, Apple has one of the best ecosystems out there, combining it with the iPhone, the iPad, the MacBook, and even the Vision Pro. This helps you work in a better space, improves your productivity, and makes sure that you get more done in less time. Also, the Samsung ecosystem works well across the Galaxy phones, tablets, watches, and increasingly other Samsung devices. This helps them because they have a cross-brand compatibility with Android apps. The Google Pixel series ecosystem has deep Google Service integration, which works well with the Gmail, the Google Drive, the Google Photos, the Google Calendars, and also other Google apps within the ecosystem. Not everyone prioritizes privacy first, but before you start using the AI services of these devices, don't forget to check the model settings and the data retention policy. And also, remember to check whether the AI outputs are being stored in your accounts. This will help you avoid data breach. You can see that each of these devices have their own AI value. Apple focuses majorly on user privacy. Samsung helps content creators to improve their videos and photos, while Google focuses on cloud users and people that want to stay in one ecosystem. So when next you want to purchase a new device, don't only look at the specs, also look at the AI features and how it's going to improve your productivity and your workflow. Until next time, please do like, subscribe, and share with those people and your friends that you know that this video will be useful to when they want to purchase a new device. Thank you.